guys, welcome back to my channel. In the bind, Dalun no. Avamu Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State, precisely, and you're welcome. Okay? Not really, you're welcome. Okay? But before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so when next time I make a new upload, be notified. Okay? Yes. Now, if I banya so let's start. Yeah, so we are going to look at all 9. Ngwan, kaikavan new. Chi, we, gwe, be, kwe, mwe, nye, she. So let's create words with them. Chi, chota, we, ewa, Ye, ara, we, guara, be, papando, quere, nwayo, nyere, chi, chota, we, ewa, re, ara, gwe, guara, be, papando, quere. Okay? Yes. We have we, nwayo, nyere, she, isha. Okay? In order to master this, stop the video and replay as many times as possible. Okay? Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I make a new upload. Bye!